Welcome students to our lecture on analog to digital converters, that is ADC, in our coursework of analog circuit. Myself, Dr. Kirti Vyas from RA College of Engineering IT, we will study about analog to digital converters. The first analog to digital converter is successive approximation type. In order to understand the successive approximation type of ADC, we need to understand the principle of successive approximation applied in this particular converter. This particular slide shows how the principle is applied. The input which I have chosen is 1 0 0 0. As we can see, several comparisons are made in this particular successive approximation type. When the first comparison is made with the reference VR by 2, if our applied input is less, the second comparison is made with VR by 2 minus VR by 4, that is VR by 4. If the input is still less, the third comparison will be made with VR by 4 minus VR by 8, that is VR by 8. If the input is still less, a fourth comparison will be made with 0 and output will be given as 0 because the comparator cannot detect voltage level lesser than VR by 8. If the fourth comparison of the analog input is greater than 0, it is given as VR by 8 is equals to 0 0 0 1. Thus, for 4 comparison, we get 4-digit number. For 6 comparison, we get a 6-digit number. For n comparison, we get an n-digit number. The maximum input that can be converted is equal to V reference. I hope you are able to understand this process. Let us consider a 4-bit ADC and let the V reference value be 15 volt. For this, our VR by 2 will be 1 0 0 0. The successive approximation type ADC compares the analog input to D to A conversion module, the resistor network, along with the reference voltage, which is repeated by changing the reference voltage to half of the previous value. The comparator is used to compare the input voltage and a sequence of voltage which are binarily related. Initially, the input is compared with VR by 2, where VR is full scale input voltage. If input is greater than VR by 2, it is changed to VR by 2 plus VR by 4. So, we are having a transition of VR by 4. This becomes a reference voltage for new comparison. If input is less, then it is changed to VR by 2 minus VR by 4. One more comparison is made and the voltage is changed depending on the result of comparison. This process is repeated till the desired accuracy is obtained. Suppose the full scale reference voltage VR is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0 is equals to 8, then VR by 2 will be equals to 100 100 into 4, which makes it 8 by 2. So the input to be measured is compared with VR by 2 equals to 100. If input is greater than VR by 2, it is compared with VR by 2 equals to 3 VR by 2 is equals to 100. If input is greater than VR by 2, the next comparison is made with VR 3 VR by 4 plus VR by 8, that is 7 VR by 8, which will be equals to 111. If input is greater than 7 VR by 8, the comparison is made with VR itself. If input is lesser than 3 VR by 4, the comparison will be made with 3 VR by 4 minus 7 VR by 8, which is 5 VR by 8 equal to 101. If input is less than 5 VR by 8, it is compared with half VR and the result is given to the display unit. The conversion time is reduced by starting comparison with VR by 2. Now we will look at the block schematic of successive approximation type ADC. The distribution register is basically a ring counter calculating to bit 1 which determine which action is taking place. At the beginning of the conversion cycle, the control register and the distribution register are set with a 1 in the MSB and 0 in all bits of less significance. The control register, which now reads 1000, causes an output at the D to A converter equal to value of 1 by 2 reference. At the same instant, a pulse enters a timing delay chain. By the time the converter and the comparator have settled, a delayed pulse is gated with the comparator output. When the next MSB is generated in the control register by the action of the timing cycle, a digital output is generated corresponding to the reference analog voltage. Based on the result of the comparison, the digital quality is changed and comparison is made, and the cycle is repeated till equivalence is reached. The feedback path lies between control register and the distribution register. The distribution register is a ring counter, thus 1 is circulated. When 1 changes bit position, a particular operation takes place. If it gets feedback from the control registers. Initially, bit 1 in the MSB in distribution register For binary 1000, V reference by 2 is the output of D to A converter. For binary 0100, reference supply is increased or decreased depending on comparator output. When the input voltage and the output of D to A converter coincide, the end of conversion signal is generated in distribution register through control register. The conversion time is less here compared to counter ramp technique since comparison starts from 1000, not from 0000. Digital voltmeters, ADCs, and DAC are used in construction of digital voltmeters, DVMs. In these slides, I have mentioned the basic concept of working of this particular DAC.